guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a share screen audio is not working on Discord. It's really easy, fast and simple. And simply what you need to do here, first you need to go to the voice channel, and then you need to share screen and make sure that you are not on the entire screen window and not sharing the whole screen, but you're sharing specific program or application or the game, because if you share the entire screen, probably you will not others will not hear sound. So what you need to do here, you need to go to application window and select the app or the game you are running right now. So it can be Fortnite, Apex, some sort of software like OBS or whatever you like, and select the specific program on the application window or the game, and then share basically on Discord the window of just that specific game or software, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.